How to create a passport photo in PhotoRoom application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to create a passport style photo from your existing picture, first of all open up the PhotoRoom application on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the bottom center after logging in, tap on the start from a photo. And now from your camera roll, go ahead and select the picture you want to use for your passport size photo. After making this selection, it will automatically remove the background from the photo. Now, on the next page, go to the Font button at the top and choose the ID photo option. Under ID photo, you'll see photo options from different countries out there. Go ahead and select one of them, and then for the image that you have already added, just zoom in on it and adjust it within the frame. You'll see that there are eyes and nose area which you will need to adjust. Put the face within the frame. Now if you have a photo that you are facing, now in order to have it properly as your passport photo, you need a photo that is already facing in front of the camera. It should be straight forward in the camera, and once it is, you can go ahead and tap on the export button at the bottom and save the image in your device's camera roll. Now this photo might not look appropriate because it's not exactly facing at the front, but if you have a photo that is facing right at the front and it is not tilted even a bit, then you'll have a perfect passport size photo. So that is how you easily do it. You can now go ahead and save your photo to your device, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.